I don't know. They literally just left it all twisted laying there, huh?
Yeah. There's the twisted metal of the...
Look at the water that just meanders through there.
The bridge, the rail.
It's literally just laying there.
Here, here's a different view.
That's insane.
So an F1 twister took this all out in 2000. Can't remember.
2000, was it 11?
Yeah, 2011, I believe.
Oh, there's a little footpath to cross over there. You can get closer.
Yeah.
A little bridge.
Sit on that. That's why I thought Lincoln should come. That would be great. To get a senior picture out here.
Are we literally going to go all the way down there? That would be awesome.
Sure, why not?
Okay.
I'm going to get close to the rubble.
Alright. We're on our way to the bottom of the bridge. That's how we're coming down. It's a beautiful place. Lots of ferns. Okay, down the so-called steps again. Getting closer. I think we gotta go that way now. Look how tall those are. You alright? We're getting close. Actually, we're probably only like halfway. Actually, I think that's the only way to come down. We have to go back up that same way, I think. Going up might not be as bad, I don't know. That's where we gotta go yet to get way down there. So, sorry about the movement there. We're getting closer. There's the trail again. That's where we started, way up there. Look at that. That is insane. It's going to be a little bit shaky probably because this trail. But, so you're going to have to forgive me for the shakiness. Look at that view though. We're finally getting closer to the, I don't know what you call it, the rubble. We're almost there though. We gotta go that way now. Now we're to the easy part, it looks like. Wow. I don't know, just wow. Sure is beautiful here though. It's windy. Oh, somebody's coming, so I'm gonna turn the video off. So we're meandering on the trail, and there's this. I don't know what it is. It almost looks like a jack, don't it? Kind of, sort of?
Kind of, sort of.
Strange little what's it in the...
Strange little what's it that you find along the trail.
I don't know, it's kind of cool
when you're
looking.
walking in the state parks. I'm sure there's pieces of metal from here to Timbuktu. That's a funky tree branch or metal over that way. It's a funny rock something.
More ferns. Hello, pretty ferns. I don't know why I'm obsessed with ferns. Alright. Now our trail's better because it's more like dirt instead of rock. And loose rock like up there. Sure is beautiful. We gotta be switching back pretty soon, man. To get to, ooh, these smell so good. You smell them? Pretty. It's a good day when you can go hiking, that's for sure. Beautiful trails, beautiful area, nice cool day, not too hot. The awesome rocks. This one here looks really cool with the black bottom. Ooh, this is a pretty rock too. I'm all looking at rocks like a dork. We have arrived at the footbridge. Danger, no climbing. Okay, I don't see anything to climb on.
I can't do a video without my sister ever being in it again.
Just a minute, I'll get across the bridge. I could sit and listen to that all day. So beautiful sounding, looking at. We're almost to the twisted metal. Love the sound of water. Well, I think the best way to go would just be like this. I don't think Bonnie can do that though. Probably up and around. She'll figure it out when she gets here. There's the bridge where we were at the very top. That pole there sticking out of the ground. Wonder if that was flung there by the tornado. So it was an F1 tornado that took the bridge out. It was back in 2003. You can like get right up next to it. Wow. Wow, you can get right up next to it. Dandelion. Look at this. There's the other side. Wow. Just wow. There's another. Or you can take the trail up that way. The little water. Oh, these things are big. It's almost as tall as me. It pretty much is as tall as I am.
So fascinating. But I feel like I'm not sure which way the tornado came, but it almost looks like it came through from behind me to the way you're viewing it this way in the camera because the way it fell. Because if the tornado came from where all the debris is, you would think all the debris would be laying over that.
Wow. It's so crazy. I don't know. Can't tell. Center beams all the way, or center rocks all the way up, and then side ones on both sides. Interesting. There's some metal there. Wow. Look at that. That's just crazy.